Okay, so I am in the process of going live, and I have to figure out how to do this. Oh, there we go. Okay. Ooh. I am. And then I want to share with my group. There we go. Okay. So I'm sharing with my group, and we are going to be talking about Abacus. So we're going to be counting on the Abacus, just so you know. Oh, I don't know if I could. Oh, ooh, because I don't have enough. Okay. So we're going to count on the Abacus. Let me explain. We're going to be counting on the Abacus, and this is what my Abacus looks like. There we go. So if you notice, this is my Abacus, and here is my beam. This beam is what tells me what we are counting. This beam tells me what we're counting. Hopefully this sounds much better. Okay, so what do I want to do? I feel so okay. When we're counting on this abacus is going to help me learn. It's going to help me to count. And so what we're going to do is with this beam, it's going to tell me which beads are counted. So right now we are at 0. Okay, so all these beads that are not touching this beam means that it's 0. So when we do this 1, this is 1 on the abacus. How do I know? Well, I have my dot that tells me we're in the ones place, and all the bottom beads, these are the bottom beads, all these bottom beads has a value of 1. So when we count, this is 1. And then we're actually just going to use my finger, my thumb and my finger. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do a finger. So our next number is 2. So when I clear it, this is 0, right? And I have 2. So this is 2. 1, 2. That's how I count on the abacus. All the beads at the bottom has a value of 2. So when I clear it and I do 3, I do 3. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 on the abacus. And then 4. We have 4 on the abacus. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, with my dot, this shows me that I'm at the ones place. With the ones place, we're counting over here. And then our next number, since we don't have any more beads down here, we can now start utilizing the top bead. The top bead is 5. That is 5. And so always, the top bead will always have a value of 5. This is 5, this is 5, this is 5, this is 5, and that's 5. Notice I'm using my finger to move the 5. We are going to use our finger down to add the 5. And then when I clear my abacus, this is 0, and I have 6. That will be 6. 5, 6. So we're going to start counting 5, 6. This will always be 6. Again, that's 6, this is 6, and that's 6, right? But I'm going to stay here because this is where my dot is, okay? And I have 6. So I'm going to clear my abacus, and our next number is 7. This is 7. So 5, 6, 7. Notice we have 1 bead on top and 2 beads on the bottom. This is the 5, and then 2 beads will be 7. 5, 6, 7. And I clear my abacus, and there is 8. So do you know what 8 looks like? It looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring together just like that. 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 8. Okay? Notice there's 1 bead at the bottom. So then, what does that mean? 9. 9. We have 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Notice I have 9. All the beads are touching the beam. So this is what 9 looks like. All of these beads are touching the beam. This is what 9 is. I'm going to clear my abacus, and then we're going to go to 10. How do I know what 10 is? 10 is 1 and 0. We started counting on the ones place. That's why we have a dot. And then this is the tens place. This is where we have 10. And that's it. We just counted from 0 to 10 on the abacus. But on the abacus, we always start from 0 because 0 is how we know that our abacus is nice and clean. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!